So let us begin with Python basics first, because for data science, basically your data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, etc. The programming language that is most preferred by from startups to big tech companies like Ola, Uber, Microsoft, Google, etc., etc. They all prefer what? They all prefer Python programming language. So Python is the necessity today. Without Python, the IT industry cannot survive. All right. So this is what it is. So we'll do what? We'll start with the basics of Python. All right. So let us take a variable. All right. This is a equal to. Equal to is our what? Equal to is our assignment operator. Equal to is our assignment operator. And a is what? A is our variable. All right. A is our variable. Equal to is our assignment operator. That means, let's say I assign it to the value 5. This means what? This statement mean this code means what? That we have assigned 5 to the variable a, or a has been assigned to the value 5. 5 has been assigned to the variable a, and a has been assigned to the value 5. All right. To run this particular cell, what we do is that we basically simply click on this run. To run this cell, whatever in Jupyter notebooks or Google Colab or Kaggle notebooks, what we do is that we basically write codes in a cell. All right. So to run this code, we need to click on this run cell, select below. We click on this, and our first cell has run. This one signifies what? This one signifies our cell has run. All right. So this is what it is. So let me just do what? Let me just take print a under consideration. All right, and do what? Do what? I'll again select on run. Now the shortcut key to run this particular cell can be found here. Go to command. पहले वैसे to run this particular cell, the key is shift plus enter. Shift plus enter, and the cell will run. And if you want to find more shortcuts, just click on this command palette. Open the command palette, and you will find certain shortcuts. Click on open command palette. All right, you will find certain shortcuts of Jupyter notebooks. So this is what it is. All right. This is run cell and select next. In my case, it is different. All right. In your case, it will be shift plus enter. In Windows, it will be shift plus enter. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So this is what? This 5 is what? This 5 is a whole number. This 5 is a whole number. All right. And 5 is what? 5 is a whole number. And in computing terms, in Python terms, it is called as what? It is called as integer. In computing terms, it is called as integer. Right. So how do we know that it is an integer? Basically, Python calls every whole number as integer and represents it as int. int. Now, how do we check whether it is int, integer, or any other data type? So we check that with the help of type command, type statement. And right inside the parenthesis, this is called what? This is called as parenthesis. That is C-shaped brackets. We write what? We write it over here as A. Press shift plus enter, and as you can see in the output, it is showing as what? It is showing as int. All right. So it is as simple. Now let's just take another variable. Let's take it as 5.5. Or if we write over here, remember integer, the range of integer is what? They range from minus infinity to plus infinity. So if I write over here as minus, even then it will show it as what? It will show it as integer. So this is what it is. Alright, now we have taken it as what? We have taken b is equal to 5.5. Let me print B, shift plus enter, 5.5. Alright. Type B, shift plus enter, float. Now what are float data types? Float data type, anything, any number in decimal points. So it are termed as they are termed as what? They are termed as float. Any decimal point number, be it 5.5 or 100.5, it will represent it as what? It will represent it as float. So this is what it is, alright. Whether I write over here as minus 100.5, it will represent it as what? Float. So these are what? These are your float data types, alright. So proceeding further, A equals to what? A equals to, let's take C. C equals to, let us take MS Dhoni. Now we have done what? We have taken a name. Let me remove these single inverted commas. Let us write like this: C is equal to MS Dhoni, and let us run it. So it is showing me what? It is showing me an error. It is throwing a what? It is throwing a syntax error, that invalid syntax, MS Dhoni. So whenever you have a word, and you have two words. Now over here, this name MS Dhoni is what? This name MS Dhoni is two words, is of two words. MS and Dhoni. So any word, any sentence, any name, or any city, anything related to English language shall always be what? Shall always be in single inverted quotes. In single inverted quotes. Alright. Will be in single inverted quotes. So this is what. Next we do what? We print C. It will print you what? Amazon. Or it can be in double inverted quotes as well. Double inverted quotes as well. It is the same. Single inverted or double inverted, it is the same. So this is what it is. Alright. So we want to know its type. It was what? A string or str. So this is what it is. Alright. There is no such thing as character in Python. So let us do what? Let us talk about the type of what? A type of Boolean. So Boolean is what? Boolean takes in only true or basically takes in only false. So it takes basically two different types of values, true or false. So for example, I have D is equal to, and we have, let's say, A of positive 5. A of positive 5, and we do what? We write, if we just write A greater than 5. Alright. When we print D, it will show us what? A greater than 5. Is A greater than 5? No, A is equal to 5, but not greater than 5. So what we'll do is that when we print this, it will show me as what? It will show me as false. Alright, it will show me as false. Similarly, D is equal to A, or E is equal to A less than 5. And if we print this, it will again show me as false. A is equivalent to 5. Equal to 5. But not less than 5. So when we check the type of D, so it will show what? It will show me as bool. By saying bool, we mean what? We mean Boolean. If we take E is equal to 0, then it will show type as integer. Type as E, integer. So this is what it is. Less than, greater than, and your what? Greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. These are all what? These are your logical operators. So these are what the basics of data types in Python is. All right. So these are what? These are your basics of data types in Python. Move towards mathematical operators. So very simple. Some mathematical operators we'll have a look at. 99 plus 97. Addition operator give us 196. 99 minus 97. It will give us 2. 99 multiplied by 97. For multiplication, we use what? We use asterisk. All right. 99 divided by, this is the division operator. 99 ampersand 97 is what? This is what? This is the modulo operator. This is what? This is the modulo operator or modulus operator used for extracting the remainder. Used for extracting the remainder. All right. Used for extracting the remainder. So divide 99 by 97. You'll get 1 as divisor. 97 by 99, sorry. So you'll get what? You'll get 1 as divisor, or we can say as quotient, and we'll get 2 as the remainder. This is what? This is what? This is your remainder. And this is what? This is your quotient, which is represented by double slash. Double slash. All right. So let us have a look at this double slash, how we get double slash. 99. See, it is giving what? 1. This will give it the entire thing till it reaches the 0 remainder. And this will give what? This will give the quotient or divisor. So this is what it is. It will cut all the decimal points and give us a whole number of the division. Or we can say divisor or quotient. Or we can say, sorry, quotient. Alright, so this is what it is. Exponentiation operator. Alright. Now 9 double asterisk 2 represents what? 9 square. Now, or 9 to the power 2. Press shift plus enter. 81. 7. So this is what it is. 6 square. So this is what it is. This is what the exponentiation operator does.